Watermelon contains almost 92% of water, and this juicy fruit is believed a powerhouse of nutrients. Every bite offers prominent levels of amino acids, vitamin A, C, and B6, antioxidants, and an ample of lycopene. It also delivers a decent proportion of potassium. Moreover, this quintessential fruit, which can be eaten as a summer snack, offers 40 calories per serving. It is fat-free and comprises of a little amount of sodium as well. Watermelon juice is a refreshing drink reveled by kids and adults alike, and this drink is included in health charts as top healthiest summer drink. Loaded with a magnanimous amount of water and essential nutrients, this juice delivers a cooling effect to us. It also contains lycopene, which as a combo with beta-carotene assures a stable and strong heart. It keeps a person active throughout the day, manages blood pressure, and keeps our skin hydrated and moisturized. The potassium aids in keeping our heart healthy and improving the growth of texture in our hair. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is the topmost loved fruit and is full of flavors in the entire world. Consisting of a huge portion of water, it also stores several compulsory nutrients and minerals. Thus, how can we get maximum nutrients and minerals without wasting its water? Blend its chunks and have them in the form of juice. Health benefits of watermelon. Number 1. Watermelon keeps you hydrated. It's a combo of food with water, and it contains fiber that provides you energy and gives you a satisfactory feel. Consume low calories and stay hydrated all through the day. Number 2. Watermelon offers only 46 calories. One serving of watermelon includes magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A, C, B1, B5, and B6. Also, it is enriched with lycopene, carotenoids, and cucurbitacin E. Number 3. Watermelon carries anti-cancer compounds. Intake of lycopene helps in lowering the risk of different types of cancer. It reduces insulin-like growth factor that is associated with the growth of cancer. Number 4. Nutrients in watermelon are extremely beneficial for heart health. Lycopene in watermelon lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. It also aids in preventing oxidative hazard to cholesterol. Watermelon also comprises of citrulline, which raises the levels of nitric oxide in our body. Nitric oxide aids in the expansion of blood vessels, which ultimately reduces blood pressure. Number 5. Watermelon helps in lowering oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin C and lycopene carry anti-inflammatory antioxidants that help in saving us from various chronic diseases. Number 6. Lycopene exists in different areas of the eye and aids in preventing macular degeneration by protecting against inflammation and oxidative damage. Related macular degeneration can lead to blindness in old people. Number 7. Citrulline in watermelon reduces muscle soreness. The researchers have found that if we drink watermelon juice, our body's ability to absorb citrulline improves. Citrulline also assists in the improvement of exercise endurance. Benefits of drinking fresh watermelon juice. Watermelon juice improves our eye health, keeps us hydrated all through the day by restoring electrolytes. Constituents of salts like calcium, potassium, and magnesium saves our body from dehydration. It also works as an energy booster and precludes the formation of kidney stones, which can cause kidney swelling. You make watermelon juice. Number 1. Take half cup chopped watermelon. Number 2. Add 4 to 5 basil leaves or mint leaves. Number 3. Add sugar 2 to 3 tablespoons. Number 4. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon water into it. Number 5. Add 1 pinch of salt. Number 6. Put all the ingredients in a blender and blend it for 30 seconds. Number 7. Strain the mixture. And finally, number 8. Pour the juice into a glass. Add some chilled water and ice into it. Drink the refreshing beverage. You can decorate it with watermelon chunks. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.